Hello, we are in integration, and let us actually look at the another problem, that is problem number 3. And of course, in integration, I have told you there are two kinds of integrations what we are addressing, that is indefinite integration and definite integration. Okay, and the channel which you are actually looking at, or we are trying to learn, is the Maths Champion area. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, subscribe, and then yeah, subscribe, subscribe, click the bell icon, and of course share with your friends for a quick learning. Okay, subscribe, share, and learn. Now let us go to the problem. See, we are interested in problem now. I am taking the questions which appeared in the last years, previous question papers. So what is that? I am trying to take a question now. Let me take this color and then see. Yeah, so if you are can write this, right? So previous year question papers, and then I am taking this question paper here. So this particular question is this. Okay, evaluate integral 0 to 4 2 minus x dx. See, but here there is a little understanding to be made. This is mod of 2x, mod of 2 minus x. See, this question is of only 2 marks. We should be quick enough to write correct equations and do the integration part. So the limit is ranging from 0 to 4. Okay, so the value of 2 minus x is, suppose say if I make 2 minus x is equal to 0, I will get x is equal to 2. Okay, so there are two bounds we can actually fix. So 0 to 2 and 2 to 4. Okay, 0 to 2 and 2 to 4. That is what we need to try to work it out. So in the first instance, I say x is greater than or equal to 0 and x is less than 2. If this is the condition, and particularly in this particular limit, so we are understanding, because our actual limits are 0 to 4, we are trying to take 0 to 2 is the first interval. So this interval, what we are saying, x greater than or equal to 0 and x less than 2. How do we write this interval? 0 less than or equal to x less than 2. And let me take the another interval, that is 2 to 4. Okay, 2 to 4. See here in this part, the equal to sign is not there with respect to 2. So we need to actually focus on this x greater than or equal to 2 and x is also equal to 4, because our limits are up to 4. So this is also equal to 4. So how do I write this particular equation or inequality here? 2, I say here we should write, so the inequality what I write here, 2 less than or equal to x and less than or equal to 4. So this inequality and this inequality is our particular interval. But then what will happen to the next question? Now, if I come to the next part, how do I solve this problem? See, so now let me take, so integral 0 to 2 mod, sorry, integral 0 to 4 mod of 2 minus x dx. What will happen to this integral? So we should divide this integral 0 to 2 mod of 2 minus x dx plus integral 2 to 4 mod of 2 minus x dx. Okay. See, when you're trying to solve this problem in the exam, you can directly rush, first of all, write this particular split and then solve. But the understanding is better, is very important. So now we need to actually write the actual expressions. So 0 less than or equal to x and less than 2. What will happen to my 2 minus x? See, generally, if you substitute less than 2, this value will become negative. Negative. So what will happen is that this answer, this result will be, what will be this result? So we say this 2 minus x, suppose if it is greater than 0 and less than 2, so that means this will become greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so here I can write 2 greater than or equal to x. But if I split here, that means if I bring x this side and 2 outside, this becomes x less than or equal to 2. So that means x minus 2 less than or equal to 0. So simply writing in this particular form, so what is happening here? So 2 minus x is greater than or equal to 0. We want a condition where this particular term is greater than or equal to 0. So answer is, so we need a positive symbol. So for this value, for this expression, 2 minus x mod, this becomes 2 minus x. Now, in the interval 2 less than or equal to x and less than or equal to 4. So what will happen to this mod 2 minus x? If you, if I take 2 minus x mod, then what will happen here? What will happen here is, suppose say if I substitute 3 or substitute 4, but what will happen here? This will become, you know, uh, uh, negative. So 2 minus x will become less than 0. So that means the total value is minus of 2 minus x. Okay. So the expression is minus of 2 minus x. Here the expression is plus of 2 minus x. This is the approach we need to actually understand here. So this is the approach we need to understand here. Okay. Okay. So now as we know the expressions, we again come down and then we write again. So this is 0 to 4 mod 2 minus x dx is equal to 0 to 2 plus of 2 minus x dx and integral 2 to 4 minus of 2 minus x dx. So this is now solved. So integral 0 to 2 minus x dx plus, or this minus comes out here. So I take this minus comes out here. So right here minus 2 minus x 2 to 4 dx. Or let us not do like that, because this makes us a little worried. But we need to only take the plus sign here. So we are trying to separately integrate this part. So this here minus, or integral 2 to 4, I can say x minus 2 dx. So this part is 2x minus x square by 2. This is interval plus. See, I'm trying to actually wantedly keeping the plus here. So here this becomes x square by 2 minus 2x, and this is 2 to 4. So this is what we need to uh, apply and solve. So now I will apply the limits. So how do I apply the limits? I think application of the limits is, first of all, this interval is done first. So this 2 is applied in this expression. So 2, okay, 2 into 2 minus 2 square by 2. So this is upper limit, minus this 0 is applied in this expression. 2 into 0 minus 0 square by 2 plus this entire interval 4 square by 2 minus 8 minus 2 square by 2 minus 4. Okay. So now we can understand the answer here. 4, and this part, total this part is 0. And you have this 4 minus, yeah. So my resultant answer. So how do I get this answer here? Well, this is 4 and this is 2. So 4 minus, this answer is 4 minus 2, 2. And this answer 8 by 2, 4 minus 8. So this is minus 2, and this is 2 minus 4 minus 2. So this becomes cancelled out. So this is 4, 4 minus 2, 2 so minus 2, minus of minus plus. This is, oh sorry, this is 4, so 16, 16 by 8, 4, 4, 16, right? 8 by 8, this is 0. Okay, this is 0. So I'm getting plus 2. So 2 plus 2, my resultant answer, the answer here, I'm getting this answer is 4. Okay. So this particular evaluation that we should be very careful in evaluating this particular numerical part here. So 4 square, I wrongly kept it as 8. 16 by 8, 8 minus 8 0. And this is 4 by 2, and then this becomes, lower limit to minus 2, minus or minus plus 2. So 2 plus 2 is becoming 4. So my resulting answer is 4. Answer what we need to give as this is the answer. So be very careful while attempting such questions. Okay, let's work out with the next question. See.